Let us begin our study to know the actual structures of these ionic crystals, especially cubic ionic crystals. I already told you there are six types of cubic ionic crystals. Number one, rock salt. Number two, cesium chloride. Number three, fluoride. Number four, antifluoride. Number five, sphalerite. Of course, it is zinc blende. Number six, perovskite structure. In this part, one interesting structure we are going to study, that's a perovskite structure. As an example, calcium titanate, CaTiO3. Interesting portion here is finding coordination numbers for two different cations. See, one cation is dipositive and other is tetrapositive. In true sense, in perovskite, one can be tripositive and other can be tripositive. But as an example, somewhere I should begin, no? So I am going to explain you CaTiO3 structure. Before that, let us have a basic. We are applying radius ratio rule to explain the structure. Before to actual explanation of the structure, let us know what is that radius ratio rule. Radius ratio means ratio of radius of cation to radius of anion. If that ratio is less than 0.155, type of void, type of gap, type of hole will be linear. Coordination number will be 2. If it is between 0.155 to 0.225, type of void will be triangular planar and coordination number 3. If it is between 0.225 to 0.414, the type of void will be tetrahedral and coordination number 4. If type of void is octahedral, then radius ratio should be 0.414 to 0.732 and coordination number 6. If void is cubic, then coordination number will be 8 and radius ratio will range between 0.732 to 1. Here what we will do, we will get the data for size of cation and anion, means radii of cation and anion, and we will find the ratio of them, where that ratio stands. Accordingly, we will get idea about the void. We will get idea about coordination number. So we will be with rough picture about the ionic compound. Then we will go to actual structure that experimentally we found. And rationale behind that will be clear to you. So radius ratio, its application, its importance and understanding of our structure, all things will be fulfilled. Let us apply our radius ratio concept to these cations. One is titanium plus 4 and other is calcium plus 2. Titanium plus 4 has radius 74.5 picometer and oxide ion has 140 picometer. So value of radius ratio is 0.532. Now this number stands within 0.414 and 0.732. It means what should be the coordination number of titanium plus 4? Yes, 6. If 6 is a coordination number, then what kind of void should remain present? Of course, octahedral void. So we expect that titanium plus 4 should be in octahedral void or oxide ion should make that arrangement. But let us see what is the reality. One more cation is there. Yes, calcium plus 2. Its size, its radius is 99 picometer. and that of oxide I told already 140 picometer. So ratio of their radii is 99 divided by 140 is equal to 0.707. This 0.707 magic number stands within again 0.414 to 0.732. It means coordination number of calcium plus 2 as per this reduced ratio calculation is 6. If 6 is a coordination number, then void should be octahedral. But see, this is the first interesting crystal we are finding where two cations are there. So chances are there our radius ratio rule cannot give us proper result. So what actually the structure is, what actually the coordination number for calcium plus 2 as well as other cation titanium plus 4 is, that we need to see. So let us see actual structure of calcium titanate. Means CaTiO3, one kind of perovskite where metal ions are in the form dipositive and tetrapositive. See the structure. Two different ways are there by which we can represent perovskite structure. The same structure. One of the difficult way I represent at the beginning in order to explain coordination number of dipositive cation, that's a calcium ion. By blue color at center of the cube there is calcium ion, and at corners of the cube means in simple cubic arrangement, in primitive cubic arrangement, other cations are there. Which are those? Right, titanium plus 4. And at center of each edge there is oxide ion. Now let us find how many number of each category of ions are present in this unit cell one by one. Calcium ions. How many are there in this unit cell? Only one, and it is completely belonging to that unit cell because it is within unit cell. It is at the center of the unit cell. Now let us discuss second ion, titanium plus 4. Now titanium plus 4 are occupying the positions at corner. Corner has how much share to the cube, how much share to the represented unit cell? 1/8. 1/8 into number of ions shown there. How many are they? 8. 1/8 into 8. So 1 titanium is there. So as per our formula, at least we are getting number of calcium and number of titanium. Now interestingly, oxide ions. Oxide ions at center of the edges. Each edge has how much share, or any ion on edge can share how much to the unit cell? Yes, 1/4. So 1 upon 4 into number of oxide ions. How many are there? Just read the diagram carefully. Upper layer, 4 oxide ions I am finding. Middle layer, 4 oxide ions I am finding, and bottom layer again 4 oxide ions I am finding. So total oxide ions are 12, or you can use our previous logic. Total 12 sides are there for the cube, so at center of each side there is oxide ion, so 12 oxide ions are there, and each has contribution of 1/4 to the cube. So 1 upon 4 into 12, what is answer? Right, 3. Therefore, the formula CaTiO3. Okay, formula we come across. But what about coordination number? Yes, I need your help now. See the central ion, that's a calcium. It's surrounded by how many oxide ions? Upper layer, 4 are there. Middle layer, 4 are there. Bottom layer, 4 are there. Whatever oxide ions are shown, each oxide ion is equally surrounding that central metal ion, dipositive ion, calcium ion. So what is the coordination number? 12. See, first time we are getting such a cation who has such huge coordination number, which we did not come across in radius ratio rule, but interesting. Now see the titanium ions. Titanium ion is surrounded by how many oxide ions? Yes, it is at corner, no? It is octahedral void. So 6 oxide ion. I hope you will understand. Consider any x direction, y direction, z direction. If those are the positive sides, then for negative sides, those many oxide ions will be there. So in all 6 oxide ions. So coordination number of titanium plus 4 as per our prediction of Pareto ratio rule is valid, is 6. But calcium ions coordination number predicted was 6 and found is what the 12. Are you getting this point? Out of interest, let us find coordination number of oxide ion, negative ions. How many titanium plus 4 and calcium plus 4 in total are surrounding oxide ion, that we have to find out. Consider any oxide ion which is at center of the edge. So titanium ions which are at corner. So how many corners are there? Those are near to the center of the edge. Two corners are there. So 2 titanium plus 4 can surround. Now let us find out number of calcium ions surrounding the oxide ion. Now we discuss oxide ions are at center of the edge, and center of the edge contributed by 4 such cubes. Around that edge 4 such cubes we can consider. And at center of each cube, what will be there? Who will be there? Calcium plus 2. So how many calcium ions will surround oxide ion? 4. So 4 calcium plus 2 and 2 titanium plus 4. Total, how many metal ions are there who are surrounding oxide ion? 6. So what is the coordination number of oxide ion? 6. Good. Let us understand the simple way of presentation of perovskite structure. Yes, at corner of the cube there are calcium ions by blue color. At center of the cube there is titanium ion, that's by black color. And at center of each face there are oxide ions which are shown by pink color. Very simple. Now here titanium plus 4, what is the coordination number? 6 oxide ions are surrounding. What is the coordination number for oxide ion in case of both titanium and as well as the calcium plus 2? You will find face centered oxide is surrounded by 4 blue corner calcium. So 4 by calcium. 1 titanium plus 4 inside. Similarly, one more titanium plus 4 belonging to the other cube which has common face sharing. So here also we are getting same coordination number for oxide ion. In true sense, same structure I am representing, only way of arrangements are different. Here, imagining the coordination number for calcium, that's a 12. It is difficult. Therefore, I have shown you previous diagram. Even though I try now to explain the coordination number of calcium plus 2. Take any corner calcium plus 2 which is shown by arrow. You will find it is surrounded by means of 3 oxide ion. Those are at centers of nearest 3 faces. That easily you can understand. Say the upper face is there. Similarly, if you continue that face, you will find center of that face there will be the oxide ion. So in that layer, that's the upper layer, those 2 oxide ion you can find. Accordingly, we can continue that structure towards our side so that there we will find oxide ion. Means how you will find a structure? 4 oxide ions are there upside in upper layer, and at the center there is a calcium plus 2 ion. So for that one phase, I could show you 4 calcium ions. Likewise, right side face you can consider, central oxide ion you can imagine, coordination number or its surrounding to calcium plus 2 you can imagine. With that face, 4 such kind of the oxide ion you can imagine, as like we did for the upper face, likewise side face, similarly front face. So front face 4 oxide ion, side faces 4 oxide ion, up face 4 oxide ions, total 12 oxide ions will be there surrounding calcium plus 2. I don't know exactly whether you understood this point or not, but think critically, you also will understand the coordination number for calcium plus 2. So for that, I have shown you previous diagram. But this diagram also will do. This is also perfect diagram for CaTiO3. Other crystals which show same structure as perovskite structure, the structure we have discussed, are barium titanate BaTiO3 and strontium titanate SrTiO3. As a homework, simple question. CaTiO3 structure we discuss in detail. Which ions are present, that also you know, calcium plus 2, titanium plus 4 and O minus 2. Just you have to report in the comment box coordination number for each ion, both cations and one anion. I am waiting for your answers in comment box.